There are few times these days when I'm shocked by the actions of the entertainment industry. But what the hell? Black alert! Star Trek Discovery warps ahead to Season 4. Production resumes in Toronto on November 2nd. CBS Viacom want to go bankrupt. Money is no obstacle when it comes to spreading wokeness and hatred. What? Why? How? The Star Trek Discovery adventures won't be ending anytime soon. The worst kept secret in Star Trek history is finally official. The series will be back for another season. It wasn't a worst kept secret. It was an outcome many people were dreading. But at the same time, many of us have let go of this once beloved franchise. But still, what the hell? What the hell? Continuing its run into a fourth year, Discovery was officially announced for Season 4 by CBS All Access today. You fully deserve what you have coming! After several months where folks behind the scenes have seriously intimated the next season was underway, including Trek franchise head honcho Alex Kurtzman, who mentioned future seasons of Discovery as part of an interview in early August, a mention of a Season 4 renewal popped up in the September 2020 issue of the official Star Trek magazine, and of course Kurtzman's recent comments that Discovery still has years and years, good lord, ahead of it. Years and years of something that nobody watches and something that 99% of former Trekkies hate. Failure keeps getting rewarded, yo. Here's today's official announcement in video form from stars Sonequa Martin Green, Michael Burnham, Doug Jones-Saru, and showrunners Alex Kurtzman and Michelle Paradise, revealing that production on Season 4 will begin on November 2nd at the show's home stages in Toronto. On behalf of my country, I'd like to apologize to the world. So there you have it. Despite the long-winded rumors of the show's demise, including one laughably ludicrous, oft-repeated tale of the show being cancelled and its sets being destroyed, all in secret of course, Discovery is going to keep flying ahead for the foreseeable future. I wish nothing but the worst for all of you. Star Trek Discovery Season 3 continues weekly through January 2021. Stay tuned to this channel, we're gonna have a blast, and we shall be laughing our asses off through all of it. Air dates for upcoming productions: Picard Season 2, Lower Decks Season 2, Prodigy, Strange New Worlds, and Section 31 have not been announced. Listen to that list! This is what Star Trek has become. Good lord! And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, and check your subscription and notification status because YouTube continues to delete subscribers. Follow me on Parler and troll me on Twitter. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.